Today I want to talk about this litigation, which has been going nonstop since I think it was December 31st of last year. We were able to cobble together our complaint and move forward, as well as other plaintiff lawyers as well. I want to talk about this litigation. I want to talk about lessons that we can all learn from this litigation and the allegations that we're putting forth against PayPal. And I want to talk about the future of creator economics. Hopefully there will be some time left for Q&A. And if we don't get to your question, I'll be happy to answer anything related to this presentation or anything else. If you want to talk about golf, tennis, all good. I'll be in the hallway, happy to talk about Carlos Alcaraz or Yannick Sinner or Bryson DeChambeau, whatever. Okay, so the litigation isn't just one case. It is actually many different cases. Honey was not the only browser extension related to coupon codes. There are several of them, and that's important because they were filed in different jurisdictions. The one that is going the fastest, and the one that I'm going to talk about mostly today, is the one against Capital One. I saw that a bunch of people from Rakuten signed up for this talk. Don't worry, I'm not going to talk about that litigation. I'm just going to mainly talk about Honey and Capital One.